Ladies, do not get mad at me at this video. These are 5 signs that he thinks you're ugly, and one bonus one at the end that you'll really love. All right. So let's talk about that. All right, ladies. So today we're gonna be talking about 5 signs that he thinks you're ugly. All right. Now I am sorry for making this video. I did not come up with this topic. The one who came up with it was Chaz Elliott. When I first saw that video, I was like, this motherfucker really went there. But it was funny. I liked it, and his points were very well. Right. So look, ladies, I'm sorry if I have to make this video, okay? Because it's not me just being mean to you. You want to be with somebody who finds you attractive. All right. And sometimes you can be attractive, he just don't like you. Honestly. Like some of the women that I like, some guys just don't like. I'm like, really? You don't like that? Get the fuck out of here. More for me. You know what I'm saying? Look, man, ladies, there's every dude for every woman. There's a dude for every woman. I remember, before I start with the video, by the way, to all the angels out there, don't forget that we're going to be, we have a, whatchamacallit, for the first 24 hours, if you comment, I'm going to respond to all the comments in the first 24 hours, all right? And this video was suggested by one of my Patreon supporters asking me, what are the signs that he thinks you're ugly? So, you know, she asked me that. I remember of Chaz talking about it. So I was like, you know, let me make this. You guys tell your story. I have a cousin of mine who I used to know when I was younger, right? Obviously. And we started hanging around when I was like 18. And he came over, and I didn't know much about him, right? So we hung out, and we would watch women just pass the porch, right? And I remember there were like 3 women walking, right? There were 2 big girls, right? There was 2 big girls, right? And one skinny one that was fine as hell, at least to me, right? She was like smoking hot. I mean, she was banging as fuck, right? And they were walking down the street, and I was like, yo, Victor. He was like, get. I was like, yo, look, yo, she fine as shit, right? Look at her walking around. My God, she got a fat ass, right? He's like, yeah, man. Yeah, they got a fat ass. And I'm like, they got a fat ass. I'm like, no, yeah, but like, yeah, she got a fat ass, right? She's like, yeah, they got a fat ass. And I'm like, you know, and they were walking by, and I'm like, who you talking about? He's like, I'm talking about the 2 big girls. And I'm like, this nigga likes fat girls. Ladies, there are dudes who love fat girls from the bottom of their heart, all right? Now, attractive is not just fat, right? It's also just your body type and stuff like that. But I just found that to be funny because I was just shocked that he was my best wingman because he only liked big girls, all right? So he always winged me. It was crazy, right? It was unbelievable, dude. So yeah, let's talk about the 5 signs, all right? And look, ladies, again, as you grow older, guys get less superficial. That's just the truth, all right? As you grow older, guys get less superficial. So don't feel bad about this. At one point when I was younger, I was ugly. I know it's difficult to believe, angels, right? But I was ugly at one point, and I had to deal with it. So if you're ugly, you got to deal with it. I'm sorry, you got to face reality. You don't want to be one of those girls who socially speaking, who like superficially speaking is not attractive and thinks she is. Like you want to know where you stand in life. Honestly, as fucked up as it is and as mean as that sounds, you want to know where you stand in life because you want to be in touch with reality. You want to know how people see you. It's important to do that, okay? So let's talk about the 5 signs. 1, he don't look at you that much. Ladies and gentlemen, every time I'm with a girl that I don't find attractive by mistake, because it's always by mistake, I don't look at her that much. I just don't. Like I avoid eye contact. And that's how I learned that if you like a girl and you want to make her chase a little bit harder, just don't look at her that much. It's unconscious. It unconsciously makes people feel neglected. So if you don't look at you that much, if he's always staring in the other direction, if he's never looking at you straight in the eye, there's always something else to look at, then that means he kind of doesn't see you. He sort of doesn't think you're that attractive. You know, it's like he looks at you, he's like, what the fuck, right? Ladies, please do not feel bad, okay? I'm being serious, but this is one of those videos that people just don't like to talk about. Like a video about how to deal when you fart in front of your guy. Like people don't like to talk about that, okay? This is one of them. There's ugly people out there. You guys have to accept it, all right? The next thing is when you guys have sex, he has sex in the dark, all right? He has sex in the dark with you, or the sex has lessened. Right? It's the same thing with women who are insecure about the bodies need sex in the dark. It's almost the same shit. where he doesn't find you that attractive, but he wants to he wants to let his nut off. All right, so he has sex in the dark with you, or he barely has sex with you. Now it's you gotta force him. You gotta ask him to have sex with you. You gotta say, hey, can you have sex with me? He asks, oh, I'm a little tired and stuff like that. The next thing is he needs to be drawn to have sex with you. There's always a reason. He's like, yo, let's get a drink. Hey, you want to hang out tonight? You're like, yeah, sure. Let's get some Hennessy. You know what I'm saying? So if he needs to hang out with you to get a drink, that means you're not that attractive. Ladies and gentlemen, you know how many times I've been out with a woman when I was younger and I was a little bit more polite, that I was like, you know what, fuck it, let me bang her. And I just started drinking. It works. It fucking works. It makes a girl look a little bit more attractive. All right? So drinking, it's crazy how much that works. It's crazy. It's the ultimate plastic surgery. Like, it's liquid surgery, in my opinion, right? So he needs to drink with you or be high around you just to deal with you. The next thing is, he don't introduce you. Let's make sure this is recording. He don't introduce you to his friends. By the way, people, don't forget my course. It's coming out today. It's out today. Go to the description down below. Purchase it now, okay? And for the first 30 people, you're going to get 2 free bonuses. And also, follow me on Patreon, because I'm going to start posting more videos on Patreon there. That Patreon is going to be the place where I post videos. He doesn't introduce you to his friends. You barely see his friends. You barely see his roommates. Right? It looks like he lives on his own. R. Kelly style. All right? So the next thing is that he struggles with women. That's a big one. He barely gets women. All right? He'll tell you, you notice that the women in his past are not that attractive, or he barely gets women. All right? If a dude barely gets women, then that means he's just happy for you to be with them. And as soon as a girl that he finds more attractive comes along, he'll dump you. And the last one, which is a bonus one, and this is legit, is that he acts differently with other women than with you. You start noticing that when he's around other women, he lights up. When he's around other women, he talks to them a little bit more. When he's around other women, he's more energetic. He's more, you know what I'm saying? When he talks about other women, he talks about them with a little bit more passion. You know what I'm saying? When he's around other women, he looks at them more. Look, man, when you see a guy who treats you one way, but then when there's other females, he treats them differently, he talks to them more, you just see it. You see that he acts differently around those women. He might think you're ugly, man. And sometimes, let me tell you something that happens, man. Sometimes, it can mean that he's just getting turned off by you because you guys might be spending too much time together and you need to pull away. But if you consistently have to pull away to get a guy's interest again, that means he really doesn't like you and you got to move on. If you find a dude who thinks you ugly, girl, I'm sorry, I'm not being mean to you, but I'm just saying, find somebody else. Find somebody else. I personally, I'm not going to act like I know what to do. If I was like an ugly girl, honest to God, I wouldn't know what to do. My advice for you would be to just don't chase, don't over pursue, and you're going to find a guy that likes you. Don't chase guys who you have to consistently be watching my channel to make them like you, because there are guys out there that like women for who they are. There are guys out there. You just have to be a little bit more patient. Be a little bit more patient, girl, all right? You got to be more patient. You will find a guy that likes you. But if you're ugly, man, it is what it is, man. I mean, I'm not trying to be mean to you. I would not talk about this in a seminar in life, because if I'm in a seminar, I notice that I tend to look at, for example, if I talk about being overweight, for some reason my eyes gravitate towards big women. And it feels like I'm talking to them. It's like, let's just say you're an overweight woman, right? I'm like, so yeah, man, like for example, let's just say you're overweight, right? And I'm like, fuck, I'm looking at her. Let's just say, and I just gotta look in the other direction, right? Or let's just say I'm talking about Asian women and you're Asian, right? I'll be like, for example, if you're an Asian woman, right? Like, for some reason, it's like my eyes gravitate towards the person that I'm talking about, right? So I would never talk about this in live, because I have too much compassion, man. I'm mean, but I'm not that mean. I feel bad, So, don't feel bad if you're watching this, man. Like, use your psychology, and just if you think you're ugly, I mean, just make sure to work out, eat well, and make sure you're healthy. That's all. That's the best you can do. And guys will like your women as long as she's healthy. And if you're not, Get on a health plan. Get on that diet. Work out because it's good to be healthy, man. At the end of the day, it's good to be healthy. If you're dead, you're not attractive at all. You see what I'm saying? So, don't feel bad. I'm not fat shaming you or nothing like that, but, focus on your health, all right? Because if you're in shape, you're going to have a guy who likes you eventually, And if you can see, it's a little tough for me to talk about this, even though I'm, me playing around, but I get it. It's not easy, especially with Instagram. I get it. It's not easy, but you have me here to help you. All right, love. Okay. Tell love, people. All right. You get it. You guys get a smile from me. All right, because I was mean in the beginning, but yeah. All right. Anyways, ladies, be safe and you guys have a great day. And I'm gonna be having a seminar in New York City soon, so be on the watch out for that. Peace out, motherfuckers. All right, ladies. So I know you guys have checked out many different courses, many different books on how to create and maintain a long-lasting relationships, but not many of them have the structure that we're going to be having in this course, which is natural chemistry. This course you guys have been waiting for a few months, and I've been having an extremely great time coming out with this course because this course is so unique that I was tempted to call it the greatest course of all time for women, to be honest with you, but I have to stay humble, all right? This course is a 5-week course, ladies and gentlemen. A 5-week course with a bunch of bonuses on how to maintain, how to keep the guys, create chemistry, and have long-lasting relationships that are healthy and that make you thrive, all right? We're going to be talking about the week 1. We're going to be talking about strategies for creating and maintaining a deep connection, right? I'm going to be going over all of the strategies to do that. After week 2, we're going to be talking about male nature, helping you understand a different kind of guys. After that, we're going to be talking about how to control your emotions when you're in love. After that, we're going to be talking about how to set boundaries. Each week you get a new video so that you're able to digest it in a slow way. After that, we're going to be talking about how to embrace your masculine and your feminine, right? On top of that, we're going to have a bunch of bonuses such as how the breakup formula, connecting and communicating with your man, establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, maintaining your self-esteem, the goal setting seminar, practical mastery, how to master anything, which is what I use to learn how to draw. The laws of human nature. We're going to be talking about the 3 chapters: the law of irrationality, the law of narcissism, and learning how to see through people's mask. We're going to have the transformational seminar in a pocket for those who purchase, for those who are the first 30 purchases. We're going to be talking about the chase. No, we're going to be giving you guys the free audiobook, which is the chase, right? All of this, people, you get with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's right, a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you could just return it. And the price of all of this starts at $197. We have a whole bunch of different packages, but the beginning price is $197, ladies and gentlemen. Right, so I know you guys will like this because this course originally was going to cost over $2,000, actually $1,800, but I decided to not put in some content. But it was originally priced at $1,800. But I'm going to be giving you guys starting at $197, ladies and gentlemen, with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means if you don't like it, or if you guys just want to try it out, because we all have the freeloaders out there, I don't mind. Go ahead and give it a try, freeloaders, because you guys will also get free previews of the video. So if for all the freeloaders out there, you guys can check it out. And I do not mind. Please check it out because even the free videos are useful. Because at the end of the day, this is to help you guys. This is to help you guys create natural chemistry. This is to help you guys create that love and bond that you guys always wanted with your man. That means if you're in a relationship, you will learn how to deepen that relationship. If you're not in a relationship, you will learn how to not fuck it up. All right? So I'll see you guys inside because I can promise you, this is the best course I've made. And I've made plenty of different courses for men and women. This is the best course I made. It is comprehensive. It has over 10 hours of content, ladies and gentlemen. So I'll see you guys inside. And I hope to see you guys there. Don't forget, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. So if you don't like it, you could just return it. All right? Okay. See you guys inside. Bye-bye.